Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. We're in the third day of doing this and I'm so happy to be doing this for 3 days for you guys. That's 6. For 3 days for you guys. I've been going for 3 days straight. Let's not break the cycle. Let's go all the way to 31 and let's get it started and hit jump. So, I don't really know what to do a video on today. Peyton, do you have any ideas? I guess it'll be something with my phone. Oh, by the way, this is my profile picture. My lock screen. Don't hate. Lock screen. Wait, crap. Lock screen. Don't hate. Appreciate. That was me, by the way. See? Resemblance? I guess I'll...
Little punk boy, you know you will listen.
I don't know what to do. I'm not really sure. I got your man. Recognize. I got these thick thighs. I'll be back. So, I have a video idea. And I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But, like, I can try it and see if it'll work. Hold on. I don't know what to do for this video. I'm like, really video blocked right now. I am so video blocked, in fact, that I don't know if Vlogmas Day 3 is even gonna happen. I'm so video blocked. As you can see right now, it is December 3rd. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I'll try my best. It is 7:05. Wait. Here, you can see this part. Hold on, wait. December 3rd. It's Vlogmas Day 3 right now. December 3rd. And I don't know what I'm going to do for Vlogmas Day 3. This is why I can't be doing these videos every day if you guys don't leave me ideas. Because there's stuff I can't do. I can't do pranks. I can't do challenges. Like, what the heck, man? Gotta keep you guys entertained, you know what I mean? And I don't really know what to do right now. I guess I could do a Musical.ly tutorial, but like, who wants to see that every single day? Who wants to see a Musical.ly tutorial every single day?
Coke Zero is now Coke Zero Sugar.
I don't.
Coke taste. Some people were excited to hear the news. Some more skeptical. So we're not going to have the star of the show you're watching come out and say, "You'll love it." No special jingle written by this week's hottest pop star. No famous internet celebs who happen to be holding the label just so. Okay. Maybe just one more portion.
How you want me when you got a girl?
Coke Zero Sugar.
And it's bad. Don't be the greatest phone. Don't be the greatest phone.
My last puppy just went viral.
What happened?
My last puppy just went viral. Like from the baby gave viral. It's playing to you like you did. Yeah, hi. It's well. You and I know. Be humble.
Precious when you smile.
Be humble.
You so fucking precious.
I like taking niggas hoes, but I stopped doing that.
Alright guys, so I finally come up with a video idea. So today I'm going to be telling you guys what you need to take care of a dog. because most of you probably don't know how to take care of a dog, but that's okay because I'm going to teach you. So, I have a dog, as you probably already know. I have a dog. And dogs are a lot of work, especially if you get the right type of dog. Hold on. Here's my dog. His name's Whiskey. He's a weenie dog. Now, depending on the type of dog you get, they will need different, like they would need more attention and all this other stuff, like different types of food. And different dogs need different things. Whiskey isn't that hard to take care of, I would say. But you do have to walk him a lot. Like 4 or 5 times a day, every 3 hours, or he's gonna like use the bathroom all over the house and everything. So I have a dog. He's 2 years old. And taking care of a dog, they need food, water, place to sleep, place to live, like a house. Oh, he's smiling. They need a lot of care and attention. So if you're like a person that works all the time, a dog might not be for you. Like I would like suggest like maybe a cat, because cats don't need much attention. But dogs need endless love, like the wick here. Anyway, excuse you, the wick. If you're gonna get a dog, I would recommend a Shih Tzu, a Dachshund, a Chihuahua, not like a Husky because they like a lot of attention. And like I said, if you're somebody that works a lot, maybe you shouldn't get a dog because they like attention, and if they're home alone for too long, they'll get like really mad. So I'm gonna pull up some facts on my phone about how to take care of a dog. So, okay Google, what are some important facts you need to know about taking care of a dog? What? You sleepy?
Technology has really changed how I do this job. On Pacific Rim Uprising, our characters are 250 feet tall. Where in the heck are you going to land this big robot? Hold up a satellite image and there is
So I found this website.
Robots here.
You gotta choose the right puppy. So
I have the greatest job in the world. Introducing the all-new delivery pouch from Pizza Hut. Thanks to 3 layers of thermal insulation.
to find the right puppy, you need to like examine your lifestyle. Like if you work like night shifts, no, day shifts, you need to like, I don't think a puppy's right for you, because during the day, especially with puppies are really active and stuff like that. But like, puppies are really active and stuff like that. So like, if you're gonna get a dog and you work a lot, it's probably best if you get like an older dog. Also, if puppies are like really adventurous, they might tear up your stuff. Hold on. Puppies like to chew on stuff. So if you're gonna bring a puppy into your house, make sure the destructible things that they can tear up are out of the picture, because they'll make a mess everywhere if it's not. Like electrical cords, cleaning supplies, what is that one? Breakable items, like glass shouldn't be around your puppy because they could like get it stuck in their paw or like something like that. Of course, you gotta name the puppy. Essential puppy supplies. The most important items include a leash, a collar with identification, food, and water bottles, and two toys. And you need to get a dog bed and a kennel. We don't have a dog bed for the Wick because he sleeps with us. If you want your dog to sleep in the bed with you, that's totally okay too, because that's you. But like, it's better if you get a dog bed. But he might not want to sleep in it. If it's like in your room with you and he's like really used to sleeping with you, he's gonna come and sleep with you, which is okay. And it's better if they're bathed before they sleep with you. And you should probably bathe your dog like once every 2 weeks or something like that. Now what are you, Whiskers? No, not every month, because if you bathe him every month, he'll start to get itchy because he's not getting a bath. We'll make sure they can see you, the wicker. Anyway, with the leash, you might want to walk him every 2 to 3 hours in the morning, before you go to work, or when you wake up, or before you go to school, and at night before you go to sleep. And then if you have him, if you're kennel training your dog, put him in the kennel before you go to sleep. So that way if you fall asleep, he's already in the kennel. And also, when you walk your dog, make sure you walk him for at least 15 to 20 minutes so he can get out all of his business. So whenever he comes in, also the slide is everything. So whenever he comes in, he doesn't use the bathroom everywhere, because that's not what we want. When you're buying dog food, it doesn't have to be the expensive stuff. You can talk to your vet and ask them what kind of puppy food you need to use. For the wick, Peyton, go get Whiskey's food. Peyton's gonna go get the food that we use for the wick because he seems to really like this. And if it's not this food, he won't eat it. He's really, really picky. Anyway, shall we? This is the food we feed the wick. This is, it's the sorry, the wick. It's the kibbles and bits, mini bits. Here's what it looks like. Nothing too special. What flavor is this? Savory beef and chicken, I think. It says it right down there. If you want to read it, savory beef and chicken. Anyway, this is what we feed the wick, kibbles and bits, and it works really good. It's got high quality protein, and for dogs of all sizes. So yeah. Also, this puppy's cute. Here, Peyton. They're not very big because, as you can see, Whiskey's. Hold on. Wick isn't a very big dog. So he's intrigued now. There's no sense in getting big dog food because he won't eat it, because it's hard for him to eat it because he's not a very big dog. And yeah, right to Wick. Tell him a wicker. Anyway, also, if you don't want to use kibbles and bits for your dog, you can talk to your vet about what kind of dog food you need to use.
Well, try this. I've known you all your life.
Homemade food is becoming really popular these days for your dog.
You're going to study harder. You're going to ask better questions. You're going to get into their brains like an earworm and chew, chew, chew. Now make Mom and Dad.
Wherever you first get a puppy, you need to take them to the vet so they can get their shots for, I don't know what they get shots for. Let me ask Google. Okay, Google. What do puppies get shots for?
Are you my roommate too? For now. So they kick me out. Everyone thinks they're not going to make it. I already got
Distemper, hepatitis, parvo. The parvo shot is really important for your puppy. And they need to be neutered. Also, if you want your puppy to let you know every time it has to go to the bathroom, make sure you house train your puppy. Whiskey isn't house trained, which is kind of bad. But it's better if you start at a young age with your puppy to house train them, because then they can learn over time. And I right to work. Tell him. Anyway, oh, he's looking at you. Anyway, it's better if you start training them at a very young age. Like, I would say the first day they come home, just, like, start training them automatically. Like, let's say your puppy is 6 months and he pees everywhere, you can easily start training him. Just give him treats every time he does something good. Like Wit can sit, but that's it. You can teach them the basic tricks and put them in the kennel. It's called kennel training. Oh, so sorry for that. I was trying to pet him, but he bit my hand. Also, if you're really aggressive towards your dog, sorry, the wick. If you're, wait, hold on, I'll put you down. Dang, never is it that serious. Lay down, Whiskey. Lay. Good boy. Anyway, if you're mean to your dog, they're gonna be mean to you. Because that's how they're, oh hi, that's how they're raised in the wild. So don't be mean to your dog or they're gonna be mean to you. You need to nurture your puppy. Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. Lay down. Good, lay down, good boy. You need to nurture your puppy. Give them lots of love. Give them lots of love. So, baby puppies can hold their pee for 3 hours. So you gotta wait every 3 hours to walk your baby puppy. Adult puppies need to be walked 3 to 5 times a day, I think. Let me check. Yeah, 3 to 5 times a day because they can only hold it for an hour each month of age. So if you don't, in my video, if you don't walk them, they're gonna pee all over your house. Whiskey, no, stop. A dog can be in its crate for like a real roach. A dog can be kept in its crate for up to 8 hours. After the 8 hours, it probably needs to. Sorry for all the shaky stuff and junk. After the 8 hours, your dog needs to be taken out of the crate and walked. Whiskey, can you stay in the video? Yeah. Okay, you're a good boy. Every time they do something good, you need to give them a treat. So they keep doing that thing. If they do something bad, you need to like pop them or something so they know not to do that again. Like you don't have to hurt them, cause they're just animals. They're not right to shucks. Yeah. They don't know any better, but like if they pee all over your house and you walk them already, like Whiskey does, we'll walk him and he'll come in and pee everywhere. You can pop them for that. Some of this alcohol. But like if they do something good, like they see another dog and don't run to it, then you can give them a treat when you come back inside. So I think that'll just about cover it. Whiskey's a good dog. He's not mean towards anybody. So if you want to get a good puppy, I would recommend a Chiweenie because they're everything. He's just really sleepy. Watch this. You go outside. You go outside. You go outside. You go outside. Yeah. You go outside. You go outside. You go outside. You go outside. Whiskey, you want to take a bath? Okay. So on that note, I think we're done. On that, I wish I could show this to you guys. He's so dumb. Come here. Come on. Come here, Whiskey. On that note, I think we're done. And also, I just want to give credit before I leave to what's the website? Thespruce.com for sponsoring for the information that I needed to make this video. For the information I needed to make this video. Anyway, that's the end of my video. If you enjoyed, be sure dang, I choked. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe in the comments down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me for Vlogmas. And yeah, bye guys.